Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to take a pattern and make it fit inside a tin and how to attach it after you're finished. Let's get started. So I came across this tin at a flea market and I decided to get it so I could put a punch needle project inside of there. So to figure out what size to make the punch needle pattern, I take some tissue paper and put the tin on top of it, and I'm going to trace around so I've got the outline of the tin there. And then I've got this pattern that I wanted to use, so I'm going to take the outline of the tin and move it around on here until I get it just like I want it to look. So somewhere probably about like that. And then I'm going to trace the pattern onto it. And then I'll trace this pattern after I get it all on here. I'll trace the pattern onto my weaver's cloth and punch as normal. Got the project all punched, and I'm going to just cut around the edges with my pinking shears so it won't ravel. Then I'm going to press the edges to the back. Okay, I've got the edges all pressed to the back, and I'm going to test the fit in my tin here. And it looks good, so I'm going to attach it now. Now, if you wanted to be able to change out the design, you might use some Velcro or some less permanent method, but I'm going to stick it on here and leave it, so I'm going to use some glue. So I like to use a popsicle stick and attach my glue with that. So my first step is going to be to glue this part down. I'm just going to spread the glue all the way around. And push it down as I go. And don't worry if you have extra glue here, because in a minute we're going to put glue there anyway. Okay, so then you're going to spread glue all over the entire back. Then you're gonna just take it and flip it over and press it in your tin. Be sure your fingers that are gluey are not what you use to press it down with. And there you have it, it's finished. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye!